get ice cream at the beach and stuff, and I just want to bring you guys along. We're probably gonna walk the pier. So we're gonna start this vlog early because I don't want to start it like late. I work, as you know, so I might show you guys a little bit of me at work if I can. I don't know if I'll be able to get some footage, but we'll see. But I'm about to get ready. So I decided to do a little more because we are leaving at 6 and I get off of work at 5, but then I don't get home till around like 6 because my sister, me pick up my sister and my brother. That's when I did it now, so I don't have to worry about it after. And this is probably gonna be like a really short vlog because probably not much is gonna go on today. Right now, I'm just putting on lotion. This is my favorite. Like, I'm about to buy another of these because it just smells so good and it works so good. I'm also gonna pick out my clothes. It's supposed to be like up to 90 today. I don't know what I'm gonna wear. I don't feel like wearing shorts, but we'll see. It's like 11:08 right now. But this is my favorite perfume I've been using. It's called Pink Ice and it's by Route 21. It's really good. I get a lot of compliments when I wear this. And it's only $9.99, so go get you some. Like, it smells mad good. And you don't need a lot. It literally lasts all day. So I'm gonna pick out an outfit or whatever, and I'm gonna show you guys because why not? First, I'm gonna put on some lip gloss. And I'm gonna need to pick out like some backups because last time I found myself having an outfit already planned. Yeah, I changed it about 3 times because I've been mad indecisive. Like, it don't make sense. Also, do you like the new shirt? Wow! It just has a McDonald's and it says welcome. Plain, simple. Like, I want to wear sandals, but like, I don't know. I think I know what I'm gonna wear. This kind of go right. I mean, it don't really matter. I really want lighter ones of these. I'm probably gonna get them, but not now because summer about over. So I think I'm gonna wear this shirt. It's just a plain shirt. It says Botanic Shop Holland, and then on the back it just has flowers and stuff on it. And then I'm gonna wear some ripped skinny jeans because skinny jeans have like a lot of rips in them. If hopefully, well, today my Shein haul is dropping, so if you see the black pants in there, those are the ones I'm talking about. But yeah, these pants, and then one of these one of these purses. I don't know, we'll see when the time comes. So it's gonna be either or with these purses, and then these sides. If all else fails and it doesn't look right, I'll just wear this JCPenney shirt these Crocs because of the red in there. And then probably wear my black purse. My hat is attached, but it's this one. I also got it from Shein. I wear this to work like every day. So this is just gonna be the backup. It's just plain. What's size? Medium. So yeah. So if nothing works out, I got this. Yes, I know it's supposed to be like 90, but my job is really cold, especially when I'm working in the front counter. So a jacket is must. We're allowed to wear jackets as long as it's like plain and it doesn't have like inappropriate stuff on it. And this is just my track jacket and it matches, so I haven't gotten any problem with it. But yeah, Under Armour jacket, and then my mask and stuff is in here. Hi, you had a large lemonade, 2 large cokes, so 40 piece with 2 large cokes. 1 large coke. And then the bundle is gonna be $20.51. She's cute and everything. All I wanna do is send her pictures on repeat. Still right next to you. You try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were, but we don't really want. I just wanna get away. It's still right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. I want you around. So yeah, I changed, got my watch because, sorry if you hear background noises, it's out of the way now. I got my watch so I can record my steps. But yeah, I put on this headband because I don't feel like doing my edges. But I got on the second choice I showed y'all this morning, which is this with the Crocs and then these anklets. I like that one, and then this one, it says blessed. And also my sunglasses, and then my black purse. So yes, we're about to go right now. I need to fix my face because, like I said, it's not oily. But I'll see you guys I'll talk to you guys when I get to the beach. I'm probably gonna do like a little montage on the way to the beach, but yeah. So I got vanilla cone with sprinkles dipped into it. She ate hers. That I show you ice cream. That I got Oreos on hers. And this is the familia. Rania got vanilla. And then that's everybody else. Daddy over there. But yeah, so I'm gonna eat this ice cream and then I'm gonna come back when we're like doing something else because I want to enjoy this. And I think there's like a festival or something. So yeah, because there's like mad people. I'm gonna probably get copyrighted. Okay, y'all, so we ate the ice cream. Here's everybody.
Staying on the back of your shirt. Right.
Mia thinks she bad, but she got a stain. Wanna walk ahead? So yeah, they had a little festival going on yesterday. I mean today. So there's like a port over here with the what's it called? With the boats and stuff. I'm gonna show y'all.
Bruh, I had put my hand over my nose. Bruh, I wasn't gonna get ready to say
I saw
nothing.
you.
How you gonna
I
tell
saw
me?
you out the corner of my eye.
I was getting ready to go inside the camera.
So we're still walking. I'm mad upset because it's like not even no type of sunset, and I wanted to show you guys, but I'm gonna show you guys the footage from Monday and the pictures that we seen.
It was beautiful
because it was pretty, and I'm gonna show y'all the ice cream that I got on Monday too, because that one was also pretty. I should have vlogged on Monday, but yeah, it don't. No, the deeper you go out, the more.
Let me hold the phone so I can show myself out.
And so yeah, we're just walking still. You know, you're not in it. It's on me.
Kids.
But yeah.
You know the vibes.
Her.
What's up? Add me on Instagram at officially.jai. Jai is spelled J-Y.
I wasn't recording the whole time.
You was. And add me on Snapchat at Zai_baby13. And what other social medias I got?
Somebody in the back.
Oh, add me on TikTok. Stop. I don't post on TikTok. So yeah. Yeah, period.
Okay, so I'm back. Like I never left, period. So yeah, we're almost to the freaking lighthouse. Yeah, lighthouse. It's like all the way down there. So
Flip your camera.
we're getting closer. But yeah, more stuff. The trash sunset. But yeah, so they took over the vlog, as you can see. But here's Rayanya. She wanted to say hello. Here's Joy.
Hey.
Yeah, she wanted to hold the camera again. Yeah. You didn't want to hold the camera?
Vlog again.
I don't really know what that was. There go Kayla in the back looking ugly. There go Mia.
Get me
It's the sisters for me.
Y'all gonna keep asking why that girl got that scarf on.
Sister. They say my sister. It wasn't on you. It's for the boat.
So bad with, I mean, very much Outer Bank vibes.
Outer Bank vibes. But yeah, every time we see a boat, we say it reminds us of Outer Banks, bruh. Like Sim Colabum. Yeah, this would have been a really pretty sunset if the clouds wasn't blocking. Like, look at that. And you see the pink. Where?
Okay.
It was flying?
Yeah.
I hope this video isn't too boring or like short. Cause if it is, y'all not even gonna see this. So if y'all see this, comment down below. Cause I don't even know if I'm gonna post it. But yes sir. I feel like I'm just talking and talking and talking. Okay. So as y'all can see, the lighthouse is right there. It's like in the view. Oh my gosh, there's a low-key sunset. Hold up. It's like low-key, but y'all see it.
Oh, that is mad pretty.
It looks really pretty in person. Like it's actually like, oh my gosh, I'm just mad that the clouds are there because that would have been
So cute.
that would have been a bomb sunset. I think if I go over more, y'all gonna be able to see it.
We can't even take our picture.
That boat is mad
look at
loud
that,
for
look at
what? Here's another boat.
Is that a kid? Yeah. But he got a life jacket on.
Yeah, my feet look, oh, hold up, wait a minute.
Ain't another woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do.
Okay, we're walking back, as you can see. Yeah, I am so sorry if this vlog is boring, but like I didn't really do much. Maybe I'll vlog more at home to add more to it, I don't know. But yes, so we are walking back and it's like it's 8:11 right now. So, you know, I'm kind of proud of myself because I was kind of vlogging in public today. Like, I did that. So, yeah, we're walking back. It's still like kind of hot, but not really. I'll update y'all more when I figure out what we're doing. Okay, so change of plans. Sorry for the bad lighting, but we're about to go on the beach because our parents said that they were leaving, but now they're walking the pier, and that's like a 30-minute walk.
They walking with our aunt and our brother and my mom and dad.
Yeah. So we're gonna go put our feet in the sand. Here's the sand. Let's go to the big lifeguard chair. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted because of the band over there.
Girl, that's an ordinary band.
No, they're playing freaking Beatles. They don't know nothing about the Beatles. But yeah, they're playing the Beatles. So hopefully I don't get copyrighted. If y'all hear a mute, it's because of the Beatles. The Beatles were playing. Not because, you know, whatever. Okay, we're almost to the water. There go the little waves. It's really cold. I don't know if y'all seen in one of the clips, but it's about to start thundering and storming. Like, yeah, I saw the light in it. Get out of that water. Like, some call it them. But yeah, somebody was looking at me while I was vlogging, but hey, that's expected. My feet hurt. But yeah, we're just gonna be out here. Hopefully my anklets don't turn. The reason I'm not too worried is because, like I said, in Florida, I wear these.
Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living.
Okay, so I'm back in the car. Lighting is so bad, but my feet hurt really bad. Go home. I'm gonna go home and eat and get to editing this vlog. I'm gonna do some of it now just so I can see what I'm working with. But yeah, I look disgusting and sweaty and nasty, so
Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had this place on nothing. Take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had this place on nothing. Take you there, take you there. Take you there. Won't you fill me up till my cup's overflowing? I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. Say our time, we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We've had this place on earth. Take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We've had this place on earth.
but yeah, as you can see, we're in Walmart.
I was gonna be talking about my ponytail.
Oh, hey, ponytail, so cricket.
Shut up. Just shut up.
Yeah, we're in Walmart.
Those are 79 cents. 77 cents.
Yeah, so
Gushers.
I was about to buy stuff, but then I realized that Walmart is ghetto and they don't take Apple Pay. Like, why y'all don't take Apple Pay? Y'all like one of the biggest stores and y'all don't take Apple Pay? And I don't have my card, and that's how I usually pay, is Apple Pay. So I'm out of luck, but enjoy this montage. It's like 10:56 right now. Yeah, so I'm about to just shower and then watch YouTube until I fall asleep. I'm probably gonna do a full shower, like my full shower. Like, this is like my basically self-care shower, because usually I just do like a regular wash shower, but then I have a self-care shower. So this is gonna be it. If you want to see a self-care shower, let me know. I'm sorry if you can hear my AC, but it's hot. And I'm just about to end this video and get comfy like I said. But yes, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you made it this far, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.